Students, welcome back to another food, health and nutrition class. I'm Miss Pink, and today we'll be learning about roux and how we can use our roux to thicken sauces and soup. Today I will show you, I will also tell you the different types of roux, so listen carefully to the video. So there will be little nuggets in the video, so pay keen attention.
Roux. What is a roux? A roux is a cooked mixture of equal parts flour and fat. When flour is cooked in fat, the fat coats the flour starches. This helps the lumps from forming when the roux is combined with liquid such as milk or stock, yielding a silky, smooth, uniform sauce. Here are just some of the ingredients that we're going to use to accomplish our baked mac and cheese. Okay, so we're going to start off with the important thing of making our roux, which is the base for the cheese sauce that we'll make. So in my saucepan on low flame, I am melting 3 tablespoons of butter. Now that is all melted out, I am going to add in the flour, and I add it in 2 parts at a time and whisk away so that there's no lumps. Remember, this is the base of our sauce and we want it to be lump free. It is supposed to be a smooth paste. So that was also 3 tablespoons of flour. Now this is a blonde roux, and I'm going to now share types of roux.
So there are different types of roux, and we have 4 variety of roux. We have the white, the blonde, the brown, and the dark brown. The different colors are a result of how long the roux is being cooked. White is cooked for the shortest time, while dark brown cooks the longest. White and blonde roux are the most common and used to thicken soups and sauces and some chowders. And today, as you can see, or you're going to see, that we have made a blonde roux. Now that we've made our roux, which is equal parts fat, equal parts flour, we're now going to use the roux. Now going to show you how we can use the roux to thicken a sauce. And we just didn't want to just make a sauce just for the sake of making a sauce, but I'm now going to show you how we can use the roux to thicken the sauce and then use the sauce into making something. So today, as I said, we will be making a baked mac and cheese. So we made the roux, and we're going to make a bechamel sauce and then a cheese sauce. Okay, so this is the ingredients in finishing up our bechamel and cheese sauce, and then for our baked mac and cheese, the cheese is for that. I have cooked elbow macaroni for mac and cheese, and as you can see, I shredded about a cup and a half of the cheese. Alright, now I'm going to finish up making the sauce. So I'm adding in milk in 2 parts, and I'm whisking as I add in so that it combines nicely and doesn't lump. So you want to continuously stir so that it is smooth. At first it may appear watery, but and also this is on low flame, but just whisk away to make sure that everything is combined. And then on low and medium flame we would let that cook so the sauce can be thickened, and afterwards I will season this sauce with salt and onion. So that's 1 small onion just chopped up, whisking in, and I used the ingredients were displayed earlier, the quantity. So bay leaf, complete seasoning, and black pepper, and that will.
Okay, so now it looks like this, and my spoon is coated. So once your spoon is coated, it's fine. It's good enough because now we're going to add in the macaroni, which is starch. So that starch will soak up with the sauce for, and it will combine nicely. So you don't want your sauce to be too thick because we're going to add starch, which is the macaroni in it, which will suck it up, right? And now this is just the finishing touch. So I added
So after combining the macaroni in the sauce, we transferred to a baking dish, and we added half cup of shredded cheese from earlier, shredded more, and breadcrumbs on top. And that is the finishing look. I baked this in my oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes.